Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimmy Janelle, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for Stitch Fix. Now the whole world is in a pandemic with the COVID. I just want to do something a little different today. I have a couple new things. I have a new background. I want to give a shout out to my 70 subscribers. Woo! We are moving on up. I appreciate the love. I'm opening everything for the first time. Everything is still in its original package. What I'm gonna do though is just, instead of showing you the items at first, I'm just gonna go ahead and try each item on just to condense the video a little bit. Because, you know, I know you guys got other things to do, other videos to watch, and you don't wanna be sitting here watching me ramble all day. So go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. Let's see where to start. First thing I want to say about this shirt, I absolutely love the color. It speaks spring, even though I'm going to be stuck inside. You know, there's some hope when we are out of this, you know, whole pandemic and lockdown. I really like this shirt, and watch this. Ooh. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Yeah, I just love the buttons down the shirt. At first I thought it was wrong, but then I looked and the tag is definitely in the back. So the shirt's, you know, supposed to have that nice, like cozy, comfy look to it. And then you turn around, it has that in the back. Shirt number 2. I love this shirt. I love the floral. I love the material of the shirt. It's very soft and silky. It's very silky, smooth. And definitely another good outfit for this spring. The back has that like X crisscross type of pattern. Super pretty. Yeah. And I also have some shorts that I'm wearing with this that they put in my box as well. 2 things that I want to show you guys is this shirt, this embroidered shirt. So beautiful. It almost looks pretty tribal with the little triangles on there. It's really pretty. Oh, last thing, I have this bracelet from Stitch Fix. It's a cuff, actually, a cuff bracelet. Isn't that so pretty, guys? Look at that. So pretty. The only thing about this is that, you know, it doesn't clamp tighter on the wrist. My wrists are really small, so it just kind of slides right off. It's right off. That's everything that's in my box. All right, dolls, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you are still here, you already know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit that bell for notifications so you won't miss an upload. Make sure that you guys are being safe out here during this pandemic. Wash your hands, practice social distancing, and also make sure you get some vitamin C, vitamin D. Get your immune system going and get your blood flowing. All that good stuff, because I know how it is, how it can be. You can be going into a slump if you're not getting out there interacting with people. So go ahead and practice some self-care as well. All right, guys, love you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.